Good morning, students. This is your EVS class. We were on the last exercise of chapter 6, that is exercise D. So I have written all the answers of exercise D which were given in your book. You have already completed exercise A, exercise B, and C. Now, exercise D is answer the following questions on page 34. The first question is, how is a duck's beak different from that of a sparrow? I have already written the answer. Answer number 1. A duck has a broad flat beak whereas a sparrow have a short horny beak. You have already seen in the video that a duck was having a broad flat beak. It scoops the muddy water and flow out through holes on the sides, whereas a sparrow or a pigeon or a peacock have a short beak to pick up and crush seeds. So therefore I have written in the answers, a duck has a broad flat beak whereas a sparrow have a short horny beak. Okay, horny means छोटे छोटे कांटे जो होते हैं ना वैसे. Now, question number 2. I will read the question. What is the use of a chisel-shaped beak in a woodpecker? Now the answer is the chisel-shaped beak helps the woodpecker to tap on the bark of a tree to make a hole and to pull out insects for eating. The woodpecker is having a long pointed beak, which is a chisel shaped beak, which helps it to tap on the bark. It keeps on tapping on the bark till the hole is made or the big hole is made, and it lays eggs in that hole and keep the children in that hole. And also, if there are any insects in the hole, it eats those insects by the help of the beak. Okay, students. Now the third question is, how do the feet of a perching bird helps them? Now I have written the answer. Perching birds have 3 toes in front and one at the back, which helps the bird to hold on to a branch on which they sit. Examples: sparrows, crows. Now you can see a perching bird in your book on page 31. The second bird, it is very small, but its feet, you can see its feet and claws. The 3 toes are in front and one is at the back, which helps the bird to sit firmly on any branch. Okay. Now, the fourth question is, how do birds look after their babies? This you have already read in on page 33. It is given caring for the young. And I have written the answer for that question. The parent birds look after their babies by protecting them from the enemies, by giving them food to eat and keep them warm, and also make them learn how to fly. So these are the ways how parent birds are doing with their babies. How do the parent birds look after their babies? So these are the points you can write in the answer. So I have written the answer. You can note down all the answers in your EVS copy. Okay students, and in case you find any problem with any question, please ask me. And also do exercise A, tick the correct answer, exercise B, write the correct answers, exercise C, give two examples of each. So that I think many of the children have already done exercise A, B and C. I repeat, exercise D, please do in EVS copies and show me in the next class. Now from next session onwards, we will be doing chapter 7, the food we eat. So I end my video here. If you find any problem, please ask me immediately on WhatsApp. Thank you. And yes, please note down all these answers from this video. I will give you a snapshot of these answers. Thank you.